So the mechanism drive unit will come with the legs already installed, but in their lowest position. We need to adjust the legs to raise the mechanism up to the correct height for the pool. We can measure from the bottom of the cover box to the top of the encapsulation. And here we see that it's 15.5 inches. In this particular situation, with the roll-up tube that we're using and the depth of this box, the correct position will be all the way to the top of these feet for this pool.
I've got an Integra hat too. What are you doing? We're going to change your hat and put a mic on you and just a little bit of makeup. Okay?
Sounds great. Wonderful.
I'm your prop bitch. Oh shit, that's what I'm holding.
With the legs in the highest position, we are now ready to place this in the cover housing.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, to properly align the mechanism to the encapsulation, we're going to touch this bracket against this edge right here. And if we do that, and our tube is cut properly, it's going to match up exactly the same way on the other side. The benefit to that also is that this pulley is designed, if this is touching here properly, to have that rope come back and hit that at a perfect 90 degrees. So that's where you want to be, side to side. Right now we're going to pick the top of the bracketry up and we're going to make it level to the top of the encapsulation. That is ground zero, and that's where our mechanism, the top of our mechanism stone lid brackets should always be. We never want to be lower than that. We can either be at this level or higher if we needed to be. In this case, we've only got 1 inch coping, so we really need to be right there at this level.